factory was opened in 1969. Then Buhosh Tea Factory was also opened in 2010. Both tea factories are owned by small holder tea farmers from the districts of Buhoju, Shema, Metoma, Ribirizi, and Bushenyi. The farmers hold about 1 million shares, worth about 5 billion Uganda shillings, as bona fide shareholders, Right Honorable Speaker. Both factories employ more than 1,300 staff, both skilled and semi-skilled, and thousands of others on farmers' estates who are paid on a monthly and contract basis. Right Honorable Speaker, they have been commanding a turnover of about 60 billion shillings per annum. Right Honorable Speaker, in recent years, we have been, and I personally in particular, been informing this August House about the huge challenges in the tea industry in Uganda. Finally, Right Honorable Speaker, Igara and Buhosh Tea Factories ceased operations in early March this year. This spells economic doom for the stakeholders mentioned above and the country economically. My prayers, Right Honorable Speaker. I ask the government to urgently intervene and rescue the tea farmers. Number two, government should expedite the much craved for tea policy so that it can ameliorate some of the challenges causing hardships in the sector. And lastly, my prayer, Right Honorable Speaker, thorough investigations about mismanagement aspects should be carried out about the causes that escalated the closure of our tea factories to our detriment. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
You.
I beg to move.
Thank you. I am happy you have it in writing. Why don't you pass it on to the Prime Minister since it is written, so that the Prime Minister will be able to effectively respond to it, because you've written it. Prime Minister, do you have?
Right Honorable Speaker, I take the opportunity as requested and accepted to lay this copy of my petition and concerns on the table for the benefit of government to follow up.
Please
Thank
hand
you very
over
much.
to the Prime Minister. And let it be on record that it is not a petition. Yes, it is not a petition. A matter of national importance, which is written to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister is going to respond. Honorable Goli.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable.